Hello guys, in the last video we have seen the basic arithmetic operators like which one, plus, minus, star, slash and percentile, like these operators we have seen. Now in this video we are going to put concentration on increment and decrement operators. Increment and decrement operators here we are going to understand how basically this increment and decrement operators here we are going to understand. If you observe these increment operators, double plus operators, if you observe there, so double plus is nothing but incrementing variable value by 1. Incrementing variable value by 1. That means a is equal to 10 if you observe there. If I provide a incrementation, a increment of a, if I provide there, 10 I want to increment by 1. That means a is equal to a plus 1. Understand it here. So a is equal to a plus 1 I want to perform. This is the meaning of which one can know increment operation. Okay, fine. There are two types of increment operations are available. What are the two types of increment operations? No. First one is pre-increment and second one is which one? Post-increment. First one is which one? Pre-increment and second one is which one? Post-increment. Similarly, decrement operations are available. Decrement operator. So, decrement operator in the sense which one? For example, a is equal to 10. Decrement of a is nothing but decrement that 10 value by 1. Means that which operation here I want to perform there now? A is equal to a minus 1 that I want to perform. So, a is equal to a minus 1. A is equal to a plus 1 in the sense increment. A is equal to a minus 1. That is nothing but which one? Decrement operation. So here also, how many types of decrements are available? Two types of decrements are available. What are the two types of decrements now? First one is post to decrement and pre-decrement first one, and second one is which one there? Post to decrement. First one is pre-decrement and second one is which one? Post to decrement. Good. What exactly the meaning of pre-increment, post-increment, and what exactly the meaning of pre-decrement and post-decrement we are going to see along with our system.out.println. Or before that, I want to give clarity on this one. If you observe this pre-increment if you observe there, we have to put that plus operator before the variable. We have to provide plus operator before the variable. That is nothing but which one? And pre-increment. Plus operator is which one? Increment symbol that must be provided before the variable. So what is the meaning of this one? If you provide this increment operation in association with any other statement like SOP statement, first it will perform. That means increment will have highest priority. Highest priority. Increment will have which one? There no highest priority. Good. If we come for this post increment in the sense we have to put plus operator after the variable. If you put plus operator after the variable, then that is called as which one can know? And post increment. So good. Now here plus will have least priority. Plus will have least priority. Means that if we provide this plus operator, post increment operator in association with any SOP statement or any other expression, that plus operator will have least priority. First other operation will be performed, after that only plus operator will be performed here clearly. No? Similarly, the same scenario is available for pre-decrement. Pre-decrement in the sense which one? Minus a. That means minus operator must be provided before the variable. Now what about this one here? Minus will have highest priority. Highest priority. First of all, decrement operation will be performed. After that only other operation will be performed. If any other operation is association. Next one is after that a minus. A minus is which one can know? Post to decrement. This post to decrement in the case of this one, so decrement will have next priority. That means least priority. First of all, other operation will be performed. After that only minus operation will be performed again. These are about clearly pre-increment, post-increment and pre-decrement and post-decrement. Now I want to show an example how these increment and decrement operations are going on with system.out.println statement. How these increment and decrement operations are going on with system.out.println. I will take an example, through that I am able to provide the content. Let us check this example here directly now. I'll go for this example. Here, what about this pre-increment and post-increment and pre-decrement and post-decrement here? If you observe there, let's say for example, into A is equal to 5, I am going to take. Into A is equal to 5. Now inside this, what I will do there, let's say for example, system.out.println of plus plus k, I want to provide. Plus plus k is an operation here we are performing. Then what is going on now? Now here inside this, here we need to provide, inside this, whenever we provide it, now that intersection is which one here directly. For example, into A is equal to 5 here we provided system.out.println of plus plus k, here we provided. What about this one actually? Here we are using SOP statement and as well as which one they know, increment operation. Plus plus a here we provided here. Means that plus plus a is nothing but which one? Pre-increment. So pre-increment in the sense which one can know? So first which operation will be performed can know? Increment will be performed. First operation would be which one can know? Increment operation will be performed. Second is which one can know? Display operation will be performed. That means system.out.println statement will be performed can know. So let us check this content clearly. First of all, when JVM encounter into A is equal to 5, when JVM encounter into A is equal to 5, immediately A variable will have 4 bytes of memory. First of all, A variable will have 4 bytes of memory. In 4 bytes of memory, initial value is which one can know? 5. 5 is the initial value here we are able to get. Here 5 is the initial value here we are getting. Next one is when system.out.println statement is encountered here. Now what is going on? First one is increment, then after that second one is which one can know? Decrement here. First one is increment and second one is which one? Display. So first of all value must be incremented here now. That means 5 is incremented by 1. That means 5 is incremented by 1 in the sense here we are able to get 6 in our memory. Then output is which one here? Then after that output will be which one can know? Now display. After incrementation, now the value will be displayed. That will be which one can know? 6. Now output is which one can know? 6 is an output here we are getting. So here also the same point we are going to identify. Into A is equal to 5, system.out.println of plus plus k means that here we are able to get which one can know? 6 is an output here we are getting. This is the way to provide increment operation with system.out.println. It's okay. This is the meaning of this one. So if it is pre-increment, first increment operation will be performed. Next one only system.out.println will be performed. Means that first of all value will be incremented. That incremented value will be displayed. This is the meaning of pre-increment operation. Similarly, for example, into A is equal to 5. Now in place of this plus plus k, I want to show which one here? A plus plus. What is this A plus plus actually? This is post increment. What is the meaning of this post increment actually? Right sir, this is a similar example here I am able to provide. Post increment is which one here? First of all, I want to take a simple example, same example here I want to take. Now here into A is equal to 5, here we have taken. Into A is equal to 5. Next one is system.out.println of A plus plus. A plus plus here we have taken. Right, it is very clear that. Here A plus plus in the sense we have written plus plus after the variable. After the variable in the sense this is which operation? Post increment. Post increment in the sense first which operation here we have to perform there? First display operation will be performed. Why? Because post increment in the sense incrementation operation will have least priority. First display operation will be performed here. Then after that what second one here? No, second one will be increment will be performed here. First display, after displaying the value increment operation will be performed here. Now let us check this what is going on here. First of all, when JVM encounter into A is equal to 5, immediately A variable will have 5 bytes of memory. A variable will have 5 bytes of, that means 4 bytes of memory, and its initial value for this A variable is which one? 5. 5 is existed here, that's fine. Next one is when JVM encounter this system.out.println of A plus plus, then what is going on? First of all, current value will be displayed. Output is which one here? 5. Current value is 5. Later on, as per this post increment, value will be incremented by 1. That means 5 is incremented by 1. So here we are able to get which value here? No, 6 is the value here we are getting. 5 is incremented by 1. So here we are getting 6 is the value. This is what exactly the meaning of which one? No, post increment operation. Good sir. Similarly, we can identify this here. No? Same, I want to run this example here. Here I am able to get output like which one here? 5 is a value here we are getting now. Output is 5, but internally A value is which one here? No, 6. For example, after completion of this, if I display the value now A, if I display the value now A, output is 5 only, but after that A value is which one here? No, 6 we are getting now. Why 6 we are getting there? Internally A value is incremented after displaying the current A value. That's fine. This is the meaning of which one? Post increment. Similarly, here we are going to use which one there? Like decrement operation here we want to perform. Decrement operation. So which decrement here I want to provide there? Pre-decrement here I want to provide. What exactly the meaning of this pre-decrement here? No? Try to recognize this one. Pre-decrement operation here we are going to perform. Same example here I want to take. What about this example here? No? For example, int A is equal to 5 we have taken. System dot out println of minus k. Minus k. This is pre-decrement. If it is minus k pre-decrement now, before the variable we provided decrement operator. So this is pre-decrement. So first which operation will be performed here now? First of all, decrement operation will be performed. After that, second operation is which one here now? Display. First decrementation will be performed. After that only display operation will be performed. Good. Now here in this scenario, when JVM encounter this int A is equal to 5, immediately A variable will have 4 bytes of memory. A variable will have 4 bytes of memory. In this 4 bytes of memory, initial data is which one here? No, 5 is the initial data here we are getting. Then after that, system.out.println of minus k here we provided. System.out.println of minus k. Minus k. System.out.println of minus k in the sense first decrement. This is pre-decrement. That's why first decrement operation will be performed. After that only current value will be displayed. So first of all decrementation will be performed. 5 is decremented by 1. So here we are able to get which value here? No, 4 is a value. Then output will be which one here? No, 4 we are able to get. The decremented result here we are getting. So in the same way here also we have to check it now. Minus a, here we have taken A value is 5. Now here we need to execute this. Now here we are getting the value is which one? 4. 4 only the value here we are getting. Next one, after that I'll go for post decrement. Another one here. Post decrement. If you perform this post decrement, what is going on here now? Now here what exactly the process is going on in the case of post decrement now? Now here int A is equal to 5 here we are having. Int A is equal to 5. System.out.println of A minus here we provided. So A minus in the sense post decrement. So in the case of this post decrement, first which operation will be performed here now? Display current value. Display current value. Before decrementation, which value is available, that value will be displayed. Then after that, second which operation here we have to perform there now? First of second one is which one there? Decrement operation here we are able to perform. So now in this case also what is going on? When JVM encounter int A is equal to 5, immediately JVM will assign 5 bytes of memory for this, 4 bytes of memory for this A variable. So A variable will have 4 bytes of memory. Okay, fine. Initial value for this A variable is which one here? 5. Good. Now this is which one here? No, post decrement. Post decrement in the sense, first of all, current A value will be generated as an output here. What is the current A value? No, that will be 5. After that, second operation is which one here? Decrementing that A value. Decrementing A value in the sense, internal A value is decremented by 1. There we are able to get which value here? No, 4 is a value here we are getting directly. So output is 5, but internal A value is which one here? No, 4 only we are getting. Now let us execute this here. In this scenario here we are able to get output is which one? 5 only output here we are getting. But if I display the value, if I display A value here, internally decrement operation is going on, but this is post decrement. Current A value is displayed first. After that only decrementation is going to be performed. If I run this example, 5 we are getting first output, second output is which one there? No, 4 is an output here we are getting. So in this example here we discussed clearly pre-increment with SOP statement, post-increment with SOP statement, pre-decrement with SOP statement, and post-decrement with SOP statement. So this is what exactly the behavior of the increment and decrement operations with system.out.println statement. If you go for pre-increment, for example, if you use pre-increment here, in a pre-increment, first of all, increment operation will be performed. After that only display operation will be performed. If you go for post-increment operation there, first display operation will be performed. After that only increment operation will be performed. If you go for pre-decrement operation there, first decrementation will be performed. After that only value will be displayed. And if you go for post-decrement operation, first display operation will be performed. Next decrement operation will be performed again. This is what exactly the behavior of increment and decrement operations with system.out.println.